Hi guys. Welcome to the unboxing of the new Pentax K3 Mk3. This is the first unit available here in Malaysia. This unit does not come with an operations manual. It isn't a problem. I can download it from the Ricoh website. On the front it looks closer to the Pentax K1 than its predecessor the K3 Mk2. The top prism shape is much sharper than the K3 Mk2 and closer to K1. On the right side of the camera is where the SD memory card slots are. There are 2 slots for 2 SD cards. The back of the camera is where the major difference between the K3 Mk3 and the K3 Mk2. The 3.2 inches LCD screen is bigger than its predecessor. Most of the buttons and controls are placed in the similar position with the exception of the live view and the switch to change between movie and still modes. On the left side of the camera are microphone and headphone ports. There are also HDMI and USB-C ports for charging the camera battery. There are some major changes on the top of the camera. A dial is added for changing the modes between movie, live view, and still. A smaller LCD display screen which is about half the size of a K3 Mk2 is placed next to control knob much like the K1. There is an extra SFN button for selected function. The bottom of the camera holds the battery compartment, the battery grip slot, and the tripod mount. Pentax K3 Mk3 uses the same battery as their older models starting from the K5, K3, K3 Mk2, and the K1 series. This is very useful when traveling with 2 Pentax bodies. One only in need to take a single battery charger with a couple of spare batteries. The package comes with a Pentax camera shoulder strap. There is also a USB-C cable for charging the battery in the camera. This package does not come with a battery charger like the earlier models. This 2-pin power socket is used for charging the camera battery. This little piece of plastic is for blacking out the viewfinder when shooting in long exposure or bulb mode. It blocks out any stray light that may enter the camera sensor through the viewfinder. This is the first time Pentax has included this item. An adapter for charging the camera using the USB-C cable. It is paired with a 2-pin electrical plug. Personally, I still prefer the battery charger that comes with the earlier Pentax models. And, finally, the Pentax DL190 battery. This battery is the standard for most Pentax camera models since the Pentax K5 that was launched in 2010. Thank you for watching this unboxing of the Pentax K3 Mk3. I hope that you have enjoyed it. I will be doing a hands-on review of this camera soon. So stay tuned.